What is going on, ICO family? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy George, and today I'm bringing you something really cool, okay? This is the first social-infused marketplace. If you already know the name, you beat me to it, get in the comments, let me know. If not, let's note this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. I do it so we can hang out, have fun, hopefully make a little bit of money. Now, let's get straight in. So here we are, guys, xt.com. The links will be down below. We only give you trusted links. Please only use links from people you trust. Now, it's like any other marketplace with the layout, but a little bit simplified. So we got xt.com, we got the menu tab, which shows you the exchange, the XT starter, the labs, academy, smart chain, and information to rebate and schedule. We've got the trade-in, we've got the standard spot, the pro spots, the standard margins, and the pro margins. We have the derivatives, which is the USD futures, the USD M futures demo, the coin M futures, Quanto futures, standard ETF, pro ETF, ETF ranking, ETF index, the buy crypto, obviously with the third party, and the P2P trading. The finance has a savings, stakings, hash rate store pool, ETH 2.0, cannot wait for ETH 2.0, and the financial ranking. It's got the listings and the new site has got the NFT. You know I love the NFT section. We love it on this channel. That's in there as well. So taking a first look around, it looks very easy, right? It looks very easy to get your head around. Type in what you want here. Look, I want USDT. Already got it in there for me. I want a certain amount. I'm going to buy now. Simple as that. Really, really easy to go down here, right? We'll show you the top cryptos on here, the exchanges, XT to USDT. The last price was at 252. BTC to USDT, real easy. It's got the stable, secure, aggregated, so everything you need to know here. Community trading model, the financial security, and the high performance matching engine. You can have it as an app. One big thing that we've got in this world right now is an unlimited amount of marketplaces for everything we do, unlimited amount of crypto wallets. And if they are not already going onto an app, whether it's Apple or Android, you're really missing out on the world because people need simplification. Simplification is getting on an app, using it from your phone. Download it on Google Play, Android, App Store, Windows, use the QR code, anything you need to do, and all the links will be down below. So that is the overview of the initial website. So guys, the Super Partner Activity event, right? This is incredible. One of the biggest reasons why we've jumped on this video to get it to you today. Now, the activity for this is going to last for 1 week from the start date of the corporation. You've got to join xt.com, all right, to win this bonus. Now, here's the rules. You register to xt.com via a specific referral link. You complete the KYC. Everybody, if you are getting into anything, whether it's an MLM company, whether it's a crypto company, anything, and they're not asking for KYC, it's very hard to trust that. KYC is getting you registered, verified through there. Okay, very good to do. Then, rule number 2, you're going to deposit and complete at least one transaction. Now, once you've done that, you're going to get 15XT token coupon award. Need to understand why you get it as a token coupon. I'm going to explain that in a second. And it says there, no, need to use the referral link of the partner. That's perfectly fine. So that's what the Super Partner Activity is. Now I'm going to go a bit more in depth about the actual rules, okay? So once you've completed it, you're going to deposit and complete at least one of the transactions to get that coupon reward. Now, to get the coupon reward for yourself to actually exchange, what you have to do is you will have to complete in 6 months the task to claim the 15XT coin from the coupon. Now, you can achieve this by trading a volume of 10,000 USD dollars. So that means you can easily achieve this by doing tedious steps of, example, putting 100 USD and repeating that 100 times to get 10,000 USD trading volume. Or you can do it with 1,000 USD and just only do it 10 times. Okay, it's up to you how you want to do it. You pick a random number, whatever you want. Once you've completed that, what user has done it, the user can take the 15XT as an actual exchange instead of just a coupon. You can exchange it for fiat, you can exchange for currency, exchange for different cryptos, whatever you want to do once you have earned it. So it's created that so to avoid people from wanting easy cash straight away. Okay, just coming in, I've won 15XT, exchanging it, and then it defeats the purpose of what we're trying to build here. So you need to complete these tasks. It lets you experience the platform while doing these. So within a 6-month period, say it takes you 2 months to do, it takes you 2 years to do, whatever it takes, okay? It lets you experience this platform while doing it. So you get a real use of what this is. And at the end, because let's be honest, if you're already going to use a platform for trading your crypto, for buying crypto, things like that, why not use this one and get the reward anyway? It's not like we're asking you to come in and use this other than a different one. This is just, if you are using one, take the reward while you can. So in summary, guys, I love this project, right? I'm a big believer in you don't have to sit with one exchange. You don't have to sit with one marketplace. If there is ones giving you rewards, if any marketplace jumps in and said, we're going to reward users for using us, I'm all about getting involved and getting used, okay? Free crypto, free NFTs, everything that you can get for free is only going to benefit you in the future financially. Not financially financial advice, education only, but it's only going to benefit you by getting free things. So don't be alarmed to just sit at one exchange, one wallet. If there's ones that are going to be better, it's like getting a car, okay? You buy a car, you're going to get a better car at some point, or a new car at some point, okay? Maybe that's on offer, maybe it's on deal. This is the same thing. You don't have to just use one exchange, one ledger, one thing, okay? So that being said, hit that like button if you like this video, hit the bell button for notifications, and please hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. It makes me feel really good. It makes the team feel good. Let's have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.